Nestled in the breathtaking landscapes of Norway, where the wind and sea shape the land, stands a home that has been reborn. House in Valderøya is not just a structure. It's a story of transformation, a timeless design, and a commitment to sustainability. This project was brought to life by Svingen Arkitektkontor. Led by Alexander Svingen and Wuxian, this team of architects made a bold decision. Instead of demolishing a 1973-built house, they chose to reinvent it for the future. Because true architecture isn't just about creating something new. It's about preserving, reimagining, and giving new life to what already exists. The vision? Strengthening the connection between home and nature. The challenge? The house faced strong coastal winds from the west. But instead of seeing this as a limitation, the architects turned it into an opportunity. 3 poured concrete walls were introduced, shielding the home while adding a bold, contemporary aesthetic. But the real masterpiece? Massive panoramic windows. Now, breathtaking views of Alness Lighthouse and Godi aren't just scenery. They're an essential part of the home itself. Step inside and you'll instantly feel it. A perfect blend of warmth, simplicity, and durability. But what makes this space so inviting? Aspen paneling wraps the walls, bringing a sense of warmth and nature indoors. Pine-framed windows invite the outside world in, creating a seamless connection. Solid oak flooring grounds the space, adding both elegance and strength. And the raw, textured concrete elements? They balance the softness of natural materials, creating a space that feels timeless and serene. Every material was carefully chosen for its longevity and quality. Because real luxury isn't about excess, it's about endurance. House in Valderøya is more than just a renovation. It's a statement, a testament to how architecture can be both sustainable and inspiring. A reminder that we don't always have to build from scratch. Sometimes the most meaningful transformations come from preserving and adapting. Because true architecture isn't about creating walls, it's about shaping experiences. And House in Valderøya does exactly that. This is not just a house. It's a living, breathing space that exists in harmony with nature. A home that proves great design is not just about today. It's about leaving a legacy for tomorrow. House in Valderøya is a bold vision that will stand the test of time, inspiring the future of architecture, one story at a time.